Hi, this is Corey with Pinecone AI. In this video, we will introduce memberships, how you can create a membership setting to allow multiple membership tiers within your organization, how to then set pricing options for each of those memberships, including billing intervals, whether you would like to allow discounts for items such as auto-renewal, or to even extend membership benefits to a retail or a gift shop type environment. We'll also cover offer codes, which allows you to have a benefit assigned for a specific membership tier, where that membership tier could be discounted or have a fixed price off of it using that offer code, as well as a membership directory. To begin, within Pinecone AI's dashboard, navigate to membership and then go to membership settings. Membership settings is where you will create and set up a brand new tier or edit an existing tier. Here I'm going to choose an existing tier to show you the example. From within my membership tier card, I'm going to set the tier name. This is a public facing name to your donors. The description and benefits. This is a rich text formatting box, so you can take advantage of items such as changing the headings, being able to have items such as numbered lists or bulleted lists, bold, italic, underline, etc. The rank is the actual rank that is used to show the order of the membership tiers on your public-facing donation forms. For most organizations, you will not have as many as I do here, such as 53. So you would just want to go in and set those. This also sets the upgrade eligibility if you choose to enable this for your organization, where if someone is currently at a membership tier rank of 2, and they also have a tier with a rank of 3, that would be a higher price membership tier, and you want to allow for an upgrade to happen. A member could upgrade from a tier 2 to a tier 3, but they would not be able to downgrade from a tier 3 to a tier 2 in this example. After setting the base price, you'll also set your currency. Pinecone AI currently supports US dollars. And then the billing interval, where you could choose to bill monthly, daily, weekly, or annually, and set to the billing interval of a year. You're also able to set the interval count. So if this were to be every 1 year, as it's currently set, or you could change this to every 2 years, every 12 years, whatever you would like that to be, you're able to set that detail. I'm going to leave this at every 1 year. For membership tiers, you also have the ability to allow auto-renewal. We highly recommend that you do allow your members to auto-renew. This is one of the revenue optimization features of Pinecone AI that we offer. When you enable auto-renew for a membership and auto-renewal is active, you're able to choose a discount type of a percentage, a fixed amount, or none. If you choose to have none, no discount will be available for auto-renewal, but that membership tier is still eligible for auto-renewal. If you choose a percentage off, you could set to offer 10% off for this specific membership tier, or you could do a fixed amount. In this case, I'm going to offer $50 off. For a retail discount, you can choose whether or not to enable a retail discount to be applied to a gift shop, whether that's an in-person or an online retail organization that you have. You can set a discounted percentage, but not a fixed amount for any type of retail discounts. Finally, for some membership settings, if you would like to allow monthly payments to allow an annual membership to be billed over time on a 12-month basis, you're able to do that by simply going into Allow Monthly Payments. This monthly price is calculated automatically from the annual price, and then your donor who selects this as an option is then billed in 12 equal installments over the course of their membership period. And this is what allows their membership to remain active for the entire time. When you're finished making your setting edits, you can simply go in and hit Update Tier and save those into the system. Offer codes are how you're able to give a discount for a specific membership tier. Here, you'll notice that I have a code called History Talks with a discount type of percentage off at 50%, and it applies to these 3 specific membership tiers. You're also able to see at a glance the number of redemptions that have been made. This is 4 out of an unlimited number, and then a validity window as well as the status. For any of the offer codes, you're able to set this offer code, have a fixed price amount off or percentage off, and set the details of it. If it applies to all membership tiers or only specific membership tiers, the max redemptions, the instructions here say to leave blank for unlimited. You could also set this to 1, 10, 100, 1000, whatever your organization is looking to do. And then you're able to set a calendar day validity window for when does that offer code become available for use, and then when is the offer code restricted from further use. You can also tie this offer code to a specific campaign. It's entirely optional for you. And then an internal note which is visible only to you as a staff member. For example, when you created this offer code or the specific reason this offer code was set up and created for you. Under the directory, Pinecone AI supports a membership directory. This is especially useful for nonprofits around chambers of commerce or for organizations who would like to showcase their members. Opting into being listed in the membership directory is at a member by member level once the organization toggle has been set to on. In this example, my membership directory is published. I have the membership directory enabled using this toggle. I have my page title. If I wanted to have an introductory text block, I could set that as well. And then I'm able to set a grace period for how long members can show within the directory after their membership has lapsed. Hopefully all of your members select to auto-renew if your organization offers that and they never lapse. But in the event that they do, you can choose how many days of a grace period. Here, I have mine set to 30 days. I also am choosing to show the memberships tier on the community badge listed on the membership directory. So if the individual is a superfan member, a golden legacy member, or a friend level, that actually shows on the public directory. For the public directory, you can always choose to have Pinecone AI host that separately through a link. Here is the link that I have, and I'll show you this one as an example. So you could simply point your donors to this hosted membership directory, or you're able to embed that information directly into your website. We highly recommend embedding this information to your website so that you are able to see the membership directory on your own property, and then your donors, prospective members, new members, existing members, and the like never have to leave your website. And you can find the embed code snippet here or the QR code. For the membership directory, to expand on this more, under categories, you're able to list the categories specifically that you would like to have your members select from, and you have the ability to select custom fields. So in this example, we have the ability to have a custom field. I've labeled mine Spruce and Fir Test. You can always have help text show up for that specific field. You're able to set the field type, short text, long text, multi-select, and the like. If that field will be enabled, show on the public directory, and if that is required or not. And then if you want any placeholder text shown in the field before input is created, you're able to select that by simply typing in the placeholder text. And to add a new custom field, you would simply select Add Custom Field and begin to fill out the options here. From the listings page, you're able to see who has been set up for the listing itself. In this example, I'm able to select a featured listing option, and I could edit the listing directly as the nonprofit staff member, or the donor or member themselves is able to edit this through our customer portal feature. And that includes the information here, as well as any other fields that you have enabled that are a custom field for your membership directory. In this example, my Spruce and Fir Test, this is the custom field. Finally, to show whether or not this specific listing is publicly available, you're able to select the toggle to make this available or not per member. Again, this is after you have selected to enable the directory for your entire organization. That's it for the membership directory. In a different video, we'll talk about actually managing your member list and creating manual registrations for members if they do not come through the automated pathways. Cheers.